What was it like to grow up in colonial America? From sunrise chores on the farm to helping at home, colonial children learned responsibility early, but they still found time for games, friendship, and simple joys. Step into the daily life of a colonial child and discover how work, family, and play shaped early American life. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn the exciting history within the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. In colonial America, childhood was short. Children were expected to grow up early and contribute to family survival. By age 5 or 6, many children worked, helping in fields, shops, kitchens, or caring for younger siblings. Play was simple and homemade: hoops, marbles, dolls, spinning tops, and games played outdoors with whatever was available. Most learning happened at home. Children learned trades, farming, and skills by watching parents and older siblings. Some boys, and fewer girls, attended school, learning reading, writing, arithmetic, and religious instruction. The Bible and hornbooks taught children letters, morals, and obedience. Education and faith went hand in hand. Discipline was strict. Obedience, respect, and hard work was seen as preparation for adult responsibility. These children would become farmers, soldiers, mothers, and patriots, shaped early by discipline, duty, and resilience.